Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to fix the event error code 65 app model runtime error. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing we're going to do is open up the start menu, select the setting gear icon on the left side where you hover over it. It says settings. Go ahead and left click on that. Select the system tile, and now on the right side you want to scroll down underneath where it says graphics settings. So go ahead and left click on that. There may be an option here for variable refresh rate. You want to go ahead and turn that to the off position. So if you notice that there's a section that says variable refresh rate, go ahead and turn that off. It would say variable refresh rate, reduce screen tearing, and allow for a higher frame rate by enabling variable refresh rate for games that don't natively support it. You might need to restart your game for changes to take effect. Optimize games for variable refresh rate, and then there will be, like I said, a little oval to either toggle it to the on or off position. You want to go ahead and turn that off, and then once you're done with that, restart your computer, see if that has resolved the problem. Another thing you can try here, once you have done that, you've restarted your computer and you're still having a problem, if we actually go back to the settings page here, you would go back to system like we already started. Once you open up the settings window, we went to system, and you're going to now go and locate where it says on the left side focus assist. Go ahead and left click on that, and then scroll down where it says when I'm using an app in full screen mode, go ahead and turn this to the off position. And then like we did before, go ahead and restart your computer. And if you're still having a problem, you can try turning these off as well. So you can try just turning all of these rules off. Restart your computer again, see if that has resolved the problem. And once you're done with that, you can also just try turning off focus assist altogether. Just make sure it's all off. And then one further thing you can try here too, if you were to go underneath notifications and actions on the left side, where it says get notifications from apps and other senders, you can attempt to just turn it off altogether here and see if that resolves the problem. And you can also turn off these other items here too. You notice you can turn it off, but they still have these extra little, built-in Windows 10. Let me ask you, how your experience is kind of notifications, which most certainly can be turned off. Anyway, you can just turn all of that off, restart your computer, see if that resolves the problem. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.